Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly search for links on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect when you want to find specific shared URLs from all your chats, groups, or channels without endlessly scrolling. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your account to access your messages and chats. Once you're inside the app, look for the search bar, typically located at the top of the screen. This is where you can find anything within your chats, and it's your gateway to searching for links specifically. Next, click on the search bar. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options for filtering your search. Among these options, find and choose links. Selecting this filter tells Telegram to focus only on URLs shared in your conversations, which makes your search much more precise and efficient. Now, after choosing links, type in the keywords related to the link you're searching for. Whether you're looking for a YouTube video, a news article, or a shared document, enter the terms that best describe what you want to find. Telegram will instantly display all matching links related to your keywords. You'll see the links organized so you can easily scroll through and find the exact one you need. Each link preview shows details like who shared it and when, helping you quickly determine its relevance. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, open Telegram, click the search bar, choose the links filter, and type your query. You can efficiently track down any link shared with you on Telegram's PC app. This tool saves you time and keeps everything organized, especially in busy chats. Try it out for your next project or research session, and you'll never lose important links again. Thanks for watching.